Hello guys, I got a lot of inquiries regarding the EAs, whether is it safe to use EA to trade in the market. Alright, so this is the topic that I'm going to share with you today of this video, right? Why we need to use EA? So there's a few advantage of EAs, right? To trade in the market. So as for me, as I am a developer of EAs, so what most of my strategies I will put it that on my EA. That's why you can see that I have a lot of videos. Mainly I am using EAs is because of EAs is good for people who are greedy like me. I feel like if I'm using EA, I will save compared to using manual trade. It's because manual trade, it tends to me that sometimes I feel greedy on trading the market. So what I'm doing is I set that particular trade that I have, strategy that I have, and then put it in a program and then run it by itself. Right? So advantage of having an EA. So number one, I will share with you is it opens trades automatically based on your settings. So the moment that you set this EA, so it will trade for you. Let's say whatever how much lot size that you wanted to put it on this EA, how many pips that you're going to lose, or you can have your SL and your TP. So EA will done for you automatically, or what type of signal that this EA will open for you, right? Or is it this EA will open up during news or it will close during news? So it depends. So that is the advantage of the EA, right? Okay, it opens automatically based on your settings. So number two, it saves your time. Of course, it saves your time. It's because instead of you are watching in front of your PC, in front of your screen, you need to glue that in front of your skin if you're using manual, right? Sometimes you need to see that how the market works. But if you're using EA, either that one is grid EA or signal EA, calculation EAs, is a lot of EAs strategies that using EA in the market. So make sure that you know how it works first. Okay, so number three, it helps a lot for those busy trader, right? So definitely for working people, if you have things to do, so you can use that EA. Either you run it on your VPS or virtual private server, or in your computer, right? So that's advantage of the EA. That's why we are using EA for those traders who are busy and don't know so much as well in the market. But make sure that you know how to use that EA before putting that on a live trading. Make sure you use the demo and understand first that EA, right? So number four, it trades while you sleep. It will trade for you with 24 hours and 5 days in the market, right? But it just depends on the EA on how it works. So make sure that you know that EA how it works, right? So there's disadvantage as well with EAs, right? Or these robot programs, right? It has a limitation. You know why? It's because of that particular EA. It was programmed only based on how you want to execute the EA. It's not like human that you can twist and twist here. It depends. So if that EA program on based on calculation on how many levels, on how many pips that he going to close the trade, so that EA will follow on what is the instruction based on the human, right? So the human create his mind, then transfer that to become a program, and that is the EA program language whereby he can communicate your MT4 down to the market, right? So that is disadvantage. It has a limitation. It limits on how much is your program, how it works. Okay, number two, it programs based on the trader's strategy. That's what I said. It is programs based on the traders, what his mind and what he want to do with the EA, or what he's trading all about, right? So that was, it has a limitation. So it limits only with if let's say this signal, if let's say I am using the signal based strategy or FIBO, if he hits this particular EAs or SMA signal, the moment that this is crossed with your EMAs, so that is how the EA works. It has a limitation and it programs based on the strategies mindset. So make sure that you know first before using that EA. Understand first how this EA works so that you will know what is the risk of this trading, right? Okay, number three, of disadvantage of this using EA, it is risky yes, it's really risky if you don't know how it works, right? So don't use EA if you don't know how it works. Okay, so make sure that you know before using it. Do that in the demo. Understand how the EA works, how this open the trade, and how many pips, how many lot size that he is opening, how many TP that you're going to set, and SL. Don't simply blindly open up, use an EA, then run in your MT4 without knowledge of what is this EA all about, right? Or what is this robot programs all about. So make sure that you know before using that in live trading. Okay, once you're confident on that particular trading of this EA, only use it on the live, right? As a developer, I'm having fun of writing an EAs based on my strategies because of, as I told you earlier, I am greedy a bit. Sometimes I'm out of control on using manual, and then I using EA to control what is my greediness, right? So it depends on you why you use an EA. Is it because of you wanted to clear your greediness, or you wanted to stop being glued in the market? So it depends, right? It ends up sometimes that when you use an EA, then you don't understand how it works, then you lose a lot. You already use in the live market, and you start blaming all those EAs in the market. So actually, different EAs have different algorithms how it works. So make sure you understand first, right? So I hope you guys learn in this video. Check some of our videos related on these EAs and robots. So thanks a lot, guys, and happy trading.